Well, energy consumption is on everyone's mind in 2022, and the CPVS PM compressor has inbuilt technology that significantly cuts down energy use. It can only be beneficial as energy costs represent about 70% of the total operating cost of a compressor over a 5-year period. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. This is Industry Update Video. Now that's why reducing the operating cost of a compressed air solution is a major focus for manufacturers. Variable frequency driven compressors can cut the energy bill of the compressor by up to 35%. The CPVS PM operates at the highest level of industry efficiency using the patented oil-cooled permanent magnet motor drive train. Now, the reliable inverter delivers energy saving by perfectly matching air demand using carefully qualified VSD. Meanwhile, the intelligent monitoring and connectivity is activated by the professionally programmed touchpad controller. The efficient cooling system designed to manage tropical and harsh conditions, ensuring excellent performance, as the CPVS PM is designed to be compact, enabling quick service access, maintenance, and that's easy too. Find out more about the CPVS 1095 PM machine. Visit Chicago Pneumatic, their webpage, all the W's, cpcompressors.com.au. This is Tim Webster for Industry Update Media.